Good morning and welcome to this concept of capacitance called as multi-plate capacitance. See, multi-plate capacitance are used in industry because they provide a larger capacitance than a normal capacitor. So the multi-plate capacitor is made up of many plate system instead of just two plates, and the idea is to get a lot of surface area. So you can see there are overall 9 plates, and the number of pairs you can make which are having the same potential VAB will be 8. So I've counted the number of potential differences as 1 2, so there are 8 pairs which have the same potential difference. So these are treated as parallel plate capacitors, and that is the reason the capacitance increases, right? To maximize the capacitance, you need to put the capacitors in parallel. If you want to minimize, you will put them in series. And another thing you can note down in this concept is the presence of dielectric. So dielectric will further increase the capacitance. So there are many strategies which are used in industry to increase the overall capacitance, and this is just another example. Thank you very much.